Hi guys, so today we're going to clean this fridge and organize it. I know my hair, but you guys are now like family, and today I didn't feel like putting on a wig, which is very much okay. A girl needed to breathe. And you see, in the moods of homely, I'm having a dera. Wanasema dera bila tako ni nini? Malizeni pale kwenye comment box. Giving you 5 seconds. So you can do what? Subscribe if you're a new member. Welcome to the squad. And like, I need those likes, guys. So yeah, let's go straight to the video. See, I'm not in Rongai, but I still need to feed you with content. That's why I'm going to do this fridge organization. I'll start with the fridge ornaments out here, and yeah, so these are grapes, or they cranberries, these red berries, and these, they're all magnetic, so they stick to then these, so let me start from the freezer. I'll take everything out so I can clean, then nitarudisha everything back. Now someone told me to stop saying that it can be cleaned, so I can organize, so I can do this. It is so they say it is very boring, and yeah, so I'm gonna stop. I'm not doing it anymore. So natoa tu kwa freezer, panguze. I can mention what the freezers as I rudisha everything back, because I didn't mention what was inside when I started removing. So meanwhile, guys, please do what? Subscribe. So here we have milk. Actually, we have all the milk. Then we have these chapatis and pilau. Somebody real is waiting out there for me. We also have this cabbage. I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking. So on this side we have this coconut milk. I'm gonna stop looking at you. I'm gonna stop looking at you. Crisp chocolates. Then natural yogurt. We all know the work of natural yogurt. Del Monte. Not Del Monte, but De La Mer. These lime juice. These are samosas. So guys, I will remove everything from the fridge off camera. Then we start cleaning. Guys, I've already cleared everything in the fridge. This is how it looks. You're a pixel on a screen. I'm going now to principle is nowhere to be seen. So why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Yes, why am I looking at you?
I've enjoyed the years.
Sorry
I've
for the
wasted,
shaky shots, guys,
but the
because
time
I'm
has
just
come to face the fact
doing it as I
what I see is true.
as I
So I'm
film.
gonna stop looking at you.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm actually wiping
I'm
every
gonna stop looking
part.
at you.
Actually wash these segments before I return it. Yeah, now comment below how you do yours. How you clean your fridge. So you can actually see this stain.
When somebody real is waiting out there for me.
And I will also wash this. So guys, let me just finish cleaning these segments.
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted,
wash all these
but the time has come to face the fact none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop
turudishe everything back as we finish the video.
I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Stay tuned. These are saga. Mnajua saga ni nini? Do you guys know what saga is? Then this is gizzards. Imondo. This is ice cream.
Why am I looking
chicken.
at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same.
Just a minute, I make a space for the.
Why am I looking at you?
Say then to put the gizzards.
You're a pixel on
here.
A screen.
And put these
animating
here.
Principle
You can
is
traditional vegetables. Manago.
Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy?
So
when somebody real is waiting out there for me. Why am I looking at
so
you?
This was what
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you.
Then the vegetables.
I'm gonna stop looking at you.
At the bottom. This cabbage. Milk. This is sodas and juices.
Somebody real is waiting out there for me. Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you.
This is ndengo.
Looking at you.
So this is beetroot juice. Oh, I've just messed up. Let me clean real quick. Chocolate.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's it's not the same.
The Danias.
Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen.
My Ominas.
Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I
here are the
lost in a
Ominas.
loveless fantasy?
Comments down
When
below how
somebody
you make
real is
Ominas.
waiting out there for me.
Well, this is how it looks.
Why am I looking at
I
you?
know it's very empty.
I've enjoyed the years
it's
I've
life,
wasted.
It's life,
But the time has come to face
So guys,
the
we've come
fact
to the end of
none of what
the
I see
video.
is true.
I
So
hope
I'm
you
gonna
enjoyed
stop looking
watching
at
the
you.
full fridge makeover.
Oh,
Please subscribe.
I'm gonna stop looking
Again,
at you.
share, do everything, comment, just do everything. I love you guys. Bye.